This EKD01 has advanced settings to personalize writing parameters. This model has the same configuration as the previous one, but without advanced settings. As long as we open the display information of the display, it is obvious. You can see that the display version with advanced settings is N22. The display version without advanced settings is N17. So, in fact, the display has no advanced settings below N20. Only versions higher than N20 have advanced settings, so just upgrade the old version of EKD01. Preparation 1. EKD01 display for Bafang CON bus protocol. 2. A USB cable with data transmission function. 3. A computer with Windows 10 or above system. 4th, upgrade software. 5th, N22 upgrade firmware. I will put the upgraded tool software and firmware in the comments section, and friends who need it can take it. Download and unzip the upgrade tool software. It is recommended to put the upgrade tool in the root directory of the C drive for easy reading. Open the upgrade software. Select N22 firmware. Plug in the USB cable to connect. Note that you don't check here. Click Format. According to the log prompt, insert the USB cable. Just unplug and reinsert to refresh. When the accuracy bar reaches 100%, click Download. Remind again to insert the USB cable. Here, reinsert the USB cable and refresh it according to the prompt. Download completed. When this page is displayed, congratulations, you have completed the upgrade. Let's install it on the bicycle. Hakuna Matata. Now your display has advanced settings. The above is all content. Give me a like and subscribe. Your good deeds will illuminate your life.